Operation Research MCQ Part 4. Next, chapter number 4, Linear Programming Problem, Simplex Method. Filling the blanks. A linear program in which all the variables are non-negative and all the constants are equalities is said to be in dash form, standard form. Correct answer is standard form. Second, standard form is attained by adding dash variable to less than or equal to constant slack. Correct answer is slack variable. Third, standard form is attained by subtracting dash variable from greater than or equal to surplus variable. Correct answer is surplus variable. Fourth, resources which are 100% utilized are dash resources, scarce or binding resources. Fifth, resources which are not fully utilized are dash resources, abundant resources. Sixth, in a constant, the dash variable represent unused resources. Answer, slack variable. Dash is the difference between the left and right hand side of a greater than or equal to constant. Answer, surplus. Basic variable for a given basic B are the one corresponding to the dash vectors of B. Correct answer, column. Non-basic variable for a given basis B are all variable except the variables. Correct answer, basic. The artificial variable will have a coefficient of dash in the objective function of maximized type. Correct answer, minus and plus m. The dash variable will have a coefficient of minus m in the objective function of maximized type. The artificial variable. Answer is artificial variable. Every primal LPP is associated with other LPP called dash dual. 13. If at least any one of the solution value of the basic variable is negative, the solution is dash solution, infeasible. If at least any one of the solution value of a basic variable is 0, the solution is dash solution, degenerate. If the optimum simplex table all delta values of non-basic variable are negative, then the solution is unique. Whenever the key column value are 0 or negative, we get dash solution in simplex. Answer, unbounded. Time taken by machine X equal to dash equals to rate or profit. Correct answer, shadow price. In an optimum simple table, shadow price of resources is indicated by corresponding slack variable value in dash row. Correct answer, Zj. If there is a tie between at least two least positive replacement ratio, then there is a dash solution, degeneracy. The solution is dash if all values of opportunity cost, that is delta, are 0 or negative. Answer, optimum. Multiple choice question. First, any feasible solution which optimizes the objective function of the 10 LPP is called optimum solution, non-basic variable solution, basic feasible solution. The correct answer is option A, optimum solution. Which method is an iterative procedure for solving LPP in a finite number of steps? A, simplest logarithm, B, slack variable, C, big M method, D, simplex method. Correct answer is option D, simplex method. Third, in simplex logarithm, which method is used to deal with the situation where an infeasible starting basic solution is given? Slack variable, simplex variable, big M method, none of the above. Correct answer, big M method. How many methods are there to solve LPP? 3, 2, 4, none of the above. Correct answer, option B. Fifth, that is another method to solve a given LPP involving some artificial variable. Big M method, method of penalties, two-space simplex method, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, two-space simplex method. Which variable are fictitious and cannot have any physical meaning? A. Optimum variable, decision variable, artificial variable, none of the above. Correct answer option C, artificial variable. An objective function which states that determinants of the quantity to be either maximized or minimized is called feasible function, optimum function, criterion function. D. None of the above. Correct answer option C, criterion function. An assumption that implies that finite number of choices are available to a decision maker and a decision variable do not assume negative value is known as certainty, continuity, finite choice, none of the above. Correct answer option C, finite choices. A set of value x1, x2 and xn which satisfy the constant of the LPP is called solution, variable, linearity, none of the above. The correct answer option A, solution. A basic solution which also satisfy the condition in which all basic variables are non-negative is called basic feasible solution, feasible solution, optimum solution, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, basic feasible solution. All the constants are expressed as equation and the right hand side of each constant and all variables are non-negative is called a canonical variable, canonical form, a canonical solution, both A and B. Correct answer is option B, canonical form. 12. An objective function is maximum when it is a dash function, passive, profit, cost, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, profit. 13. LPP is exactly used in solving what kind of resource allocation problem? Product planning and scheduling, transportation, sale and advertising, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Currently, LPP is used in solving a wide range of practical business problem, agriculture problem, manufacturing problem, none of the above. Correct answer option A, business problem. Dash refer to a combination of one or more input to produce a particular output. Correct answer solutions, variable, process, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, process. An optimum solution is considered dash among feasible solution. Worst, option B, best, C, ineffective, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, best solution. 17. Please state which statement is true. All linear programming problem may not have unique solution. Second, the artificial variable technique is not a device that does not get the starting basic feasible solution. A, both 1 and 2. B, 2. C, 1 only. D, both are incorrect. Correct answer is option C, 1 only. 18. Dash, which is a subclass of a linear programming problem. Programming problem, B, transportation problem, C, computer problem, D, both are incorrect. Correct answer is B, transportation problem. If a LPP, the solution of a variable, can be made infinitely large without violating the constant, the solution is infeasible, unbounded, alternative, none of the above. The correct answer is unbounded. In simplex method, we add dash variable in the case of equal. Slack variable, surplus variable, artificial variable, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, artificial variable. 21. In the simplex method, if there is a tie between a decision variable and a slack or a surplus variable, dash should be selected. Slack variable, surplus variable, decision variable, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, decision variable. A BFS of a LPP is said to be dash if at least one of the basic variable is 0. degenerated, non-degenerated, infeasible, unbounded. Correct answer is option A, degenerated. Every LPP is associated with other LPP is called primal, dual, non-linear programming, none of the above. Correct answer is dual. 24th. The dual of the dual is primal, dual, alternative, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, primal. If true or false, if a possible for an equation in the simplex table to have both a slack and a sulfurous variable at the same time. False. When the optimum solution is found in simplex method, all slack and sulfurous variable have a value of 0. False. For a maximization profit, the value of delta z equal to Cj minus Zj is the body of a simplex table. False. The first step in a simplest table solution process is to choose the variable with the least positive value of delta j is equal to Cj minus Zj to enter the solution. False. The value of a delta j is equal to Cj minus Zj rho in the simplex table tells us whether the current solution is optimum, and if it is not, what variable will be the optimum solution. False. In simplex method of any linear programming problem, if the variable is to enter the solution, it must have a positive coefficient in the delta j equal to Cj minus Zj rho. False. If all the number in the p-volet column of a simplex table are positive, this implies that the solution is unbounded. False. The shadow price is the value of one less unit of the scarce resources. False. In using simplex to solve a minimization problem, the variable to enter solution would be any variable for which value of delta j equal to Cj minus Zj is negative. True. The following inequality represent a resource constraint of a maximization problem x plus y more than equal to 20. False. We add sulfurous variable for less than equal to inequality of constraint. False. All variable in a linear programming problem, real, slack, sulfur or artificial, must be positive. False. Sulfurous variable are only associated with maximization problem. True. Answer is false. If one or more values of basic variable are 0, then solution is said to be degenerated. True. The key column is determined by highest positive value of delta j equal to Cj minus Zj rho. True. Pivotal element lies on the crossing of key column and key row. True. The negative and infinite ratio are considered for determining key row. False. The value of artificial value is m. True. Artificial variable enter as basic variable in the beginning when big M method is used to solve maximization problem. True. Dual LPP always reduce the amount of computation. False. It is possible to reverse the dual LPP to primal LPP. True. The value of one additional unit of a resource in a linear programming model is a shadow price. True. In a linear programming model, the number of constants must be less than a number of decision variable. False. If in an optimum simplex table, at least one of the delta value of non-basic variable is 0, then the solution has other alternative optimum solution. True. Match the column. Column A, inequality more than equal to. Answer is option E, minus surplus plus artificial variable. Second, equality equals to, answer is option A, plus artificial variable. Option 3, inequality more than, inequality less than, equals to, answer is option D, plus slack variable. Fourth, pivot element. Correct answer option F, interaction of key row and key column. Fifth, CG row. Correct answer option B, coefficient of the variable in the objective function. Sixth, big M. Correct answer option H, penalty method. Unbounded simplex solution. Correct answer option C, replacement ratio negative or infinity. 8. At least one value of B1 solution equals to 0. Correct answer option G, tie between at least two least positive. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.